turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why?
It's your girl right here, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. And y'all, it's still Temu. I got 2 more packages left that came from Temu. I'm trying to get my which call it? Yeah, that thing right there. Which call it? Yeah, that thing. You know, for the thumbnail, y'all. But we got 2 bags left. We don't I don't know which one to open. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Editing Raquel here. Yeah, this video was supposed to be up Saturday, but you remember I told you I had family coming from out of town, and they came on Friday afternoon. I intended to upload this video, but we went to the casino. Y'all, we had bags and bags of crab legs and so much food and drinks, and I totally forgot to upload the video, and I didn't get a chance to record the next video, so I apologize, okay? But here's the one that I should have uploaded, and I will get the last one uploaded possibly tomorrow before I start working on assignments. I hope everybody's having a great, blessed day. Enjoy this video, y'all. Say hi, Cousin Raquel. Hey, say hi, Erica.
Hey. Say hi.
Let's go. Let's open this one. Both of them pretty full, y'all. I wish I could do them all together. I can do them all together, but I don't expect y'all to sit here and sit through me opening all the stuff in both of these bags. This one seems like it's the fullest, and it might be the longest. Y'all, if y'all done found something that y'all like or want to order from Temu, let me know down below. We're gonna do this one that's not so full. How about that? Ooh, it's full. I told a story. How y'all doing? Happy Friday, y'all. I'm gonna try to get the other one done tomorrow. I might do it. No, I could do it all right now. We could split it up. I'm gonna just get it done tomorrow morning. Okay, y'all. The first thing I see in here are bowls. Oh, I remember ordering this. It's a strainer. I got a big metal strainer bowl for my pastas and rinsing lettuce for salads. And when I saw this, I was like, let me try that. So yeah, that's what this is. Y'all, Temu got everything. Temu is like an Amazon, a different type of Amazon. And the shipping's still free, okay? And then Temu. Y'all, I have not grilled because when I got here, I didn't buy a barbecue grill for outside, but I'm definitely gonna get one now. I thought I got 2 of these. If I did, it's gonna be down in the bottom of the bag. But yeah, I guess I don't have to just use it for outside, but you know, you can put your barbecue sauce, your whatever down in here, butter for rolls. Or if I use it for rolls, I probably wouldn't use it on meat. Whatever you want to base something with. So that's why I got that. This might be the bag full of kitchen stuff. Okay. I remember this. We ain't got to take all of these out, but I thought I just ordered 3, but I guess I ordered a lot of them. And I know y'all like, girl, what are them? I'm going to open one so I can show y'all. That's what they are, like little funnels. If you're pouring something from something else, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I don't know why this alcohol's sitting here, but if I want to pour something in this bottle, I can stick this in there. They small funnels. And I got enough of it. I thought I only ordered 4, but I guess I ordered a lot of them. I got pink, blue, and green. Oh, I ordered each color, and they come in sets of 3. I think it was like 98 cents. And, girl, yes. So, okay, kitchen. This is definitely the kitchen box that I ordered. Okay. No, this box is mixed with everything, y'all. Because I see some portable. Y'all know I got the Apple. I got 3 sets of Apple AirPods. And in each set, I got 1 AirPod. So when I saw these, I wanted to get them a try. For the price now. Y'all know them Apple iPods. One of them I paid $239 for. And the other 2 sets were $129. And each one of them, I done lost one of them. So when I saw these, I was like, girl, just try it. Just get it and try it. Because they work just as good. Me buying another set of Apple iPod. I think I got 2 of these. I think that's like $9 a piece. If these work just as good as my AirPods, I won't be buying another set. Because I definitely got my mind on buying another set. Think Plus. Okay. We gonna see. And they already charged. See how they fit in my ear. Y'all like my blush? I changed the subject. It's a new blush that's coming to Sephora, y'all. And I got it sent to me. And I can't even talk about it, but I'm going to show it to you. Girl, that's pretty. That's pretty. And it's cream. Okay, I'm going to quit talking about it. But anyway, these AirPods. I'm going to let y'all know how they work when I Bluetooth them to my phone. And they come with an extra set of earpieces and a cord to charge it with. For $9, okay? If they work as good as they cost, I thought I got 2 of them, did I? I think this is, yeah, this is the other pair. A different name brand. The other one was Levo Think Plus Pods. Can y'all see that? There we go. And then these, it just say wireless headset. So I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what they look like. That's what they look like. They white. Oh, the case is white. Oh, and the little AirPods are white. Oh, they look like the new Apple earpods that came out. And they fit like the new ones. They barely fit in your ear. But I don't know. Oh, and they got the charging right there. I'm going to try these first. Okay, and they got the little charging wire too. That's neat. They need to do that to Apple. You can really see how much charge you got. Okay. I like these. I don't, you know, the fit don't, they just sit there, but I'm going to let y'all know. I'm going to let y'all know. Maybe that'll be my first little short to show y'all the stuff that I like from all of these boxes. Okay, this, I don't know what it is. What is this? Oh, it's a tree. I remember. As soon as I start opening it, it's a tree. You know, decoration for your living room, your dining room. And it lights up. Bam. I think I'm going to sit this in my foyer on that table. Let me see, how does it go? I want to plug it up, y'all. The cord is long enough. USB port. I got plenty little USB plugs to plug this up to. But how does the tree, oh, like this. You have to fan it out like this. Make it cute. Yes. I'm going to let y'all see it lit up. Even if I have to insert a clip or something because I don't have a plug near me. So I'll plug it up and let y'all see how it looks lit up. But I thought this was so cute when I saw it. And in the picture they posted, you know, like in the middle of the night going to get something to drink. And I got it sitting right there in the foyer instead of all those little lit up plug-ins. This going to give a little bit more light. I know it don't look much now. Okay, so I'm going to do a clip as soon as I finish this video and put it in here so y'all can see how it looks after the fact. Okay? Alright, let's keep going. Let's see. Okay, the next thing I got is this phone cord, charging cord, and it lights up. Okay, I thought it was gonna be super long, but look at here. The ends, it can fit the iPhone, it can fit my iPad, and it can fit my charging electric lighters off of one plug. Now this going on my bedside table, because I can charge all three things at once. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, Temu where it's at. Temu is where it's at. Okay, let's see. It's a box. We're going to see what's in here though. Oh, it's a skillet, y'all. Yes. Okay, I gotta put the handle on there. Okay, apparently this is what it looks like. It's a metal skillet. And it looks like I gotta put this on. Yeah, take the screw out and screw this on. And it's a metal skillet. I said for eggs that you don't want to touch each other. Or I don't know. I just thought it was cute and different. And I got it. So if I want to make just over easy eggs. Or eggs for my own McGriddle instead of going to McDonald's. When I saw this pan, I was like, I gotta get it. And I'm not gonna hold y'all trying to put this on here. So yeah, I went ham on Temu. I know somebody thinking it. And I'm gonna say you right. I did. We got two more things in this bag. And I just dropped both of them. Okay. This one. It's like been Christmas for me all week, y'all. Okay. Oh. I don't know where I got. Oh, on the these are lights. And I think I want to put these over the fireplace, or outside. I think it was outside in the backyard because they solar powered lights and they look like flowers. Yeah, it was the prices, okay? They was taking me over, all right? I'll probably put these on my patio. These would be great for the summertime. Or out by flowers because they got a little stake for staking this up so they can get good sun. And it was cute. Okay, I admit I went ham on Temu, okay? All right. And the very last thing we got on this bag, I don't know what it is. Oh, yes I do. I remember now. Yeah, I know I told y'all I was looking at tools because I know I'm a what do you call it? Fix it myself, man, for everything I can fix. So I got this to go on a socket. And this thing, it adjusts to whatever size it is that you're trying to unscrew or screw to. You know what I'm talking about? Like if I want to take this off, that'll fit it. Or is that screw too small? Oh yeah, it's fitting it. Oh, but I'm screwing it tight. Well, you gotta know how to use the dang thing for it to work. Well, it's coming out. Let me see, y'all. It's coming. Yeah, it's out. There it go. But these little things are fit around anything you're trying to unscrew. And you put this in on, I got a screwdriver head that's changeable. And you put this in on there or either on my little baby drill. So that's why I got that. Okay. I know I went ham and I did more than beauty. Did a lot of house. But I want to share all of it with you guys, okay? Okay. All right. That's the end of this video. I ain't going to keep talking and make it long. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't be judging me. I admit to my addiction, okay? All right. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed Friday. I hope everyone's having a great day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
But I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn